guess we're gonna call it foam rollers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curly91, and if this is your first time, welcome to Curls and Inspiration. So I am continuing my Heatless Curls series, and this is the 5th part, and I have a new tool for y'all. I have no idea what really to call it, but you'll get to see what it looks like. Today we're going to be using the brand Elasta QP. I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner, the moisturizer, the gel, and the design foam. Now y'all, I really love these products. Like, I know that it's so moisturizing, so I'm really excited to see how it does on this heatless style. I don't know how it's gonna do on like dryish hair, but I'm hoping that it goes well. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. Now, y'all know the drill. We're gonna put in leave-in, we're gonna put in moisturizer, we're gonna apply it up, and then we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna come back. Like, because we're doing it heatless, we're not blowing it out, we're not doing anything like that. So we're doing it dry, we're not doing it wet. So let's just roll with it. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to reveal the new tool, and to be honest, I don't even know what to call it. Okay, so it looks like this, and I got it from Amazon. I think there's like 30 in a bag, 30 or 50 in a bag, and y'all, it's called Hair Rollers Night Sleep Foam Sponge, but kind of has a sponge in the middle, in a cylindrical form, but it has wires on the side, which tells me that I can like bend it and do stuff with it. So that's it. So I'll finish up the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, let's talk about this for a little bit. So these actually turned out really well. I'm shocked but not shocked. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. But every single picture that I saw had some white person in it or some Asian person, so it only looked like it was used on white hair. So I was like, you know what, it's a good idea, let's try this, blah blah blah. So we're gonna call it foam ties because I don't know what else to call it. And it has the foam in the middle, like a round foam in the middle, and in between the foam there's like a wire so you can actually bend it. And because of the round foam, that's why, you know, you can get these cute curls, I believe. But y'all, let's talk about the pros. This is so comfortable to sleep in. Like, it's foam, it's so comfortable to sleep in. I'm not kidding you. And then the curls actually come out really good, and my curls have not been picked yet, but this is what the unpicked look looks like, and I think it did an excellent job. I'm definitely going to try it. Out of all the tools that I've tried, this is the most comfortable to wear while sleeping. Okay, now let's talk about the products. Y'all, I don't know if y'all have ever seen my Instagram page, but I love QP ELASTA. Y'all, their products are so moisturizing. I don't know why a lot of people don't know about them. This and this, whew, whew, so moisturizing. And when they say that the gel feels like silk, it's probably because it has some protein or silk protein in there, but or glycerin or something, but it feels like silk. And it doesn't leave a hard crust on your hair or anything like that. And the foam was wonderful. It didn't crack up, it didn't make my hair feel dry. It felt awesome. So the product along with the tool, I give a thumbs up. Like, I can't believe this turned out this way. I'm like so excited to use this again. Okay, well, I'm gonna go put a pick through this, but I'll see you in the next video. One more video to go on this heatless curl journey. So stick with me, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.